Hello there, the recovery guru here. Hope all is well. Today we are working on a couple of hard drives that came from a customer in Fairhaven, Massachusetts, which is near Cape Cod area. It's a local customer. They came to our Dedham location to drop off the hard drives. This one was dropped. She says the largest Seagate drive was dropped. This one is going to have mechanical failure where the reading heads failed, and it's going to have mechanical damage, possibly disk damage, and so on. But I don't want to talk about this one. I want to talk about this other one, which is a Western Digital SSD external drive. She's saying that the small Western Digital drive just stopped working. Okay, we carefully open it up. I recommend using a blade like this to go around the edges very gently, and then as you start probing around, try to use plastic tools to go around the edges patiently, because the drive is very thin, and when you go inside, it can easily get damaged. So this is what it looks like inside. This is the little board that is hosting the actual solid state drive, which is here. So this goes in here, and then the whole assembly goes into the enclosure like this. These are very similar to those SanDisk external drives, like this, but they're slightly different where the positioning is upside down. So that's kind of what it looks like. Anyway, so use plastic tools to open it up. So we tested over USB. We connected the drive via USB, and it doesn't initialize correctly. It gives an error. So as always, with those SanDisk, which is a Western Digital company. Western Digital bought out SanDisk, so it's a Western Digital company. However, they use the same devices under different brands, right? So it's a WD, and then you have the SanDisk, which is kind of like the same thing, right? Here are some examples of those, right? SanDisk, which is the same thing. So we removed the solid state out of the enclosure here, and we started testing. As always, one of those fuses here was bad. We gave it a good reflow, and now the solid state is working. We connected it here to our PC1000 Portable Pro, and as you can see, it's active and it's imaging correctly. We should have a good recovery. We have access to the data, and everything should be looking good. So right now it's cloning successfully. It doesn't run into any error, so we should have a successful recovery. Everything looks good. If you need help with solid state recoveries, SanDisk or Western Digital, go to datarecoveryguru.com and you should be good to go.